Hello friends, welcome to NRL Footy Australia. Today in this video we are going to discuss about the round 7 team of the week. Troy Fuller. This packet rocket filled the big fast feet of superstar Amiso brilliantly against the Eels, scoring a try, setting up another, defending bravely. What a find. Jack Bostock had a night out in Darwin, scoring 3 tries and creating another as the Pins decimated a terrible Parramatta side. Zach Lomax, just days after announcing he was quitting the Dragons, played one of his biggest ever games for the club, scoring a brilliant solo try and having another disallowed in the upset win over the Warriors. Bronson Scary scored his first try since returning from his 4-year ban and ran for 130 meters in the big win over the Knights. Could prove the buy of the year as he regains his match fitness and confidence. Xavier Coates showed power and speed to score the match-winning try in the nail-biter against the Roosters and also ran for 138 meters. Isaiah Katoa played at number 7 but has to be in the team for the way he destroyed the Eels, producing 3 tries, assist and 4 line break assist. Ben Hunt, superb in the boil-over win over the Warriors, outpointing the fancied Sean Johnson with 3 try assists and 2 line break assists. Tom Hazelton, the big man who is the fast becoming a cult figure with Cronulla fans, scored a determined try and made a series of strong runs. Jeremy Marshall King carved up the pathetic Parramatta defense time and again in the second half as his team scored its highest ever win. Patrick Carrigan played lock in the win over the Raiders, but I had to find a spot for him after he again topped both the tackles count and run meters in the win over Canberra right at the top of his game in 2024. Take Wilton played the full 80 minutes in the back row, coming up with a high work rate in attack and defense as the Shock trampled the big Cowboys back. How Mole moved a step closer to an origin jersey, scoring a try and setting up another in Manly's hard-fought win on the Gold Coast. Isa Hio, a vintage performance from the tall lock, proving the line between the forwards and the deadly Penrith backline in attack against the Tigers, creating a try and having a hand in another. Thanks for watching and subscribe.